CertiK has launched a KYC leaderboard for investors to identify trustworthy Web3 projects that have undergone CertiK's verification process. The KYC leaderboard aggregates team information such as georisk, project maturity, and other data, and features a ranking system with gold, silver, and bronze levels that offer insight into the KYC process results. Investors can easily identify the most trustworthy projects while maintaining anonymity for project team members. CertiK's rigorous KYC process begins with a founder interview and collecting key team members' personal information. Advanced technologies and methods are used to verify this information, including cross-referencing with public databases and conducting manual checks. Once verified, the team's information is stored securely and confidentially. The KYC leaderboard is a valuable tool for investors looking to make informed decisions about their Web3 investments or partnerships.